Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today we are diving into one of the most breathtaking machines ever created, the 2026 Range Rover Motorhome. A $10 million double-story mansion on wheels that is changing the entire definition of luxury travel. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a moving palace, a futuristic blend of cutting-edge technology, bold design, and ultra-luxurious comfort that only Range Rover could deliver. Imagine taking the elegance of a high-end estate and combining it with the power and mobility of a next-generation motorhome. That's exactly what this beauty represents. From the outside, the Range Rover Motorhome looks more like a spaceship than an RV. Its aerodynamic front end, futuristic LED lighting strips, and sleek glass design across two levels make it one of the most jaw-dropping exteriors in the luxury vehicle world. The body sits on a massive multi-wheel setup, designed not only to carry the extraordinary weight but also to provide maximum stability and smoothness on the road. Step closer and you'll notice the glowing trims, the polished metallic finish, and a profile that instantly tells you this is not just a camper, it's a revolution in design. The dual-story structure gives it the road presence of a rolling skyscraper, and every inch of it screams exclusivity. When you step inside, it's an entirely different world. The lower deck welcomes you with a spacious living area featuring panoramic windows, an open lounge, and designer seating with leather and wood detailing that feels straight out of a luxury penthouse. There's a full-size dining space, a chef-inspired kitchen with modern appliances, and smart storage solutions that make long journeys feel effortless. Move upstairs and the experience gets even more surreal. The upper floor has a glass-wrapped sky lounge, private bedrooms with king-sized beds, an entertainment zone, and even a spa-like bathroom with premium fittings. The natural lighting floods every corner thanks to its futuristic window design, making you feel like you're traveling inside a luxury yacht rather than a motorhome. But luxury isn't the only story here. Range Rover has packed this beast with incredible performance. Underneath its beautiful body, it carries a powerful next-gen hybrid engine system designed for both strength and efficiency. Multiple powered axles ensure seamless handling despite its massive size, while advanced suspension technology delivers an unbelievably smooth ride on highways and even on uneven terrains. Driving this motorhome feels less like operating a heavy RV and more like commanding a futuristic luxury SUV on steroids. Now let's talk about the big question: price. At $10 million, the 2026 Range Rover Motorhome is clearly not for everyone. This is a machine built for the elite, for those who want to carry the comfort of a mansion while traveling the world. But when you factor in its design, its performance, the unmatched luxury, and the fact that it's